So we hopped on Chef Maddie's uncle's farm here, and they've got a cattle farm. There's this beautiful lake with pike in it, but we decided to go ahead and tap into the beef source here. And we're gonna do a reverse sear New York strip loin. This is kind of an English style strip, okay? So you take a large piece like this, tap into the capabilities of the Big Joe 3 and the SlōRoller, get great smoke on the outside. This is my favorite way to do New York strip. All right, so temperature's coming up on the Big Joe 3. SlōRoller is starting to clean up a little bit. We're getting that smoke to get nice and translucent here in a minute. Let's go ahead and season up the outside of this New York strip. Today we're gonna use some of this Lane's Barbecue Combination Scorpion Steak. It's got a good amount of salt, heat, and just a little bit of sweet. Remember, one of the benefits of this Big Joe 3 and the SlōRoller is the way that smoke works inside the chamber. So there's cyclonic airflow happening right now. The temperature delta's evened out. Let's go ahead and get these babies on. It's been about an hour and a half. Let's go ahead and take a look. Beautiful. And this is the portion where we're gonna let them rest, okay? While they're resting, we're gonna disassemble the SlōRoller. Now that the SlōRoller is out, slide back in our divide and conquer, and then we're going to engage with the charcoal basket. Put a little more charcoal in there and let this Big Joe 3 come up to searing temperature. So again, the English strip method on the Kamado Joe and the Big Joe 3 with the SlōRoller looks absolutely fantastic. This is more of a method than it is a recipe, but if you're doing steaks, there's none better. Let's go ahead and slice, give it a go. Flavor's more complex than just doing your straight up grilled New York strip. Texture's absolutely fantastic. I'm getting the smoke. This is it, team.